In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count colored cells in Google Sheets. This technique can be particularly useful for those instances when you've used color coding to track your data or identify priorities. So without further ado, let's jump right in and make your data more manageable. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your Google Sheet. This is the spreadsheet where you've got some cells highlighted in various colors that you need to count. So once you have your Google Sheets document open, look towards the top of your screen where you'll find the Extensions tab. Go ahead and click on that. The Extensions tab is your gateway to various tools and add-ons that can enhance your Google Sheets functionality. Next, from the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Power Tools. If you haven't already installed this add-on, you might need to do so, as it's an essential component for what we're doing today. Once you've clicked Power Tools, a sidebar will typically appear on the right-hand side of your screen. Here's where the magic happens. After the sidebar loads, simply click Start. Doing this prepares Power Tools for use. With Power Tools active, the next step is to select the range of cells where you want to count the colored cells. Click and drag over the cells you want to include, or you can manually type the range into the range field in Power Tools. It's important to make sure you've selected the right cells so that Power Tools can accurately count what's needed. Now, in the Power Tools sidebar, you'll see an option called Function by Color. Go ahead and click on it. This is where we utilize the ability of Power Tools to process cell colors as factors for various functions. Under Select Range, you'll see an option to specifically select the colored cells you wish to count. Make sure you choose this, as selecting a different option may not give you the results you're after. What comes next is selecting the appropriate fill color. In this step, you'll need to pick the specific color from your selected range that you want to count. This could be based on the color coding system you've already used in your sheet. Once you've got your color selected, look for the option labeled Paste Results To. This area is where you'll indicate which cell should display the resulting count. Simply click on the desired cell in the Google Sheets document and the data will be inserted there. Finally, to wrap things up, continue these same steps for any additional colors you wish to count. This ensures all your critical color-coded information is organized and accounted for in your Google Sheets document. By the end of this process, you'll be left with a neat summary of your colored data, making your spreadsheet much easier to evaluate and work with. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.